The ocean, a vast and mysterious realm, covers most of our planet. It's a place of endless wonder. Beneath the surface, a whole other world exists, a world of staggering depths and incredible creatures. Imagine diving deeper and deeper. The sunlight fades, the water turns cold and dark. This is the journey to the deep ocean. We'll explore the layers of this underwater world. Each layer has its own unique inhabitants and challenges. Prepare to be amazed by the secrets of the deep. How do we even know how deep the ocean goes? Early sailors used ropes with weights. They lowered the ropes until they hit the bottom. This method was simple, but it wasn't very accurate. Today we use sound waves to map the ocean floor. A device called a sonar sends out sound pulses. It measures how long it takes for the sound to bounce back. This technology allows us to create detailed maps of the seabed. The deepest part of the ocean is the Challenger Deep. It lies within the Mariana Trench. Its depth is an astonishing 7 miles, almost 11 kilometers. Let's begin our journey in the sunlit surface layer, the Epipelagic Zone. This zone extends from the surface down to about 200 meters. Sunlight here allows for photosynthesis. This is where most marine life thrives. Fish of all shapes and sizes dart through the coral reefs. Whales breach the surface, their massive bodies glistening in the sun. Dolphins leap and play. This zone is a riot of color and activity, but as we descend, the sunlight begins to fade. We are leaving the familiar world behind. We are entering the twilight zone. The Mesopelagic Zone or Twilight Zone stretches from 200 to 1,000 meters deep. Here, sunlight is faint. It's not enough for photosynthesis. Creatures have adapted to the dim light and the scarcity of food. Some animals here have large eyes. These eyes help them see in the darkness. Others have developed bioluminescence. They produce their own light to attract prey or mates. It's a world of strange and wonderful adaptations. The temperature here also drops dramatically. The pressure increases. We are entering a more alien environment. Section 5. The Midnight Zone. Exploring the Bathypelagic. We now descend into the Bathypelagic Zone, also known as the Midnight Zone. This is a realm of perpetual darkness, where the sun's rays never reach. This region stretches from 1,000 to 4,000 meters deep. It is a vast, mysterious part of the ocean that remains largely unexplored. Here, no sunlight penetrates the darkness. The absence of light creates an environment that is both eerie and fascinating. The water is perpetually cold, with temperatures hovering just above freezing. The pressure is immense, reaching up to 400 times the pressure at sea level. Life here has adapted to the extreme conditions. These adaptations are nothing short of extraordinary, allowing creatures to survive where few others can. Many creatures are black or red. These colors help them remain invisible in the dark waters, providing an effective form of camouflage. This camouflage helps them blend into the darkness, making it easier to avoid predators and sneak up on prey. Some, like the anglerfish, have developed bioluminescent lures. These glowing appendages are used to attract unsuspecting prey. These lures attract prey in the pitch-black water. The light is a beacon in the darkness, drawing in curious creatures. Food is scarce in the Bathypelagic Zone. The lack of sunlight means there is no photosynthesis and thus, very little primary production. Animals here have slow metabolisms. This allows them to conserve energy and survive on the limited food available. They can go for long periods without eating. This is a crucial adaptation for survival in such a resource-poor environment. This is a testament to the resilience of life itself. Despite the harsh conditions, life finds a way to thrive in the Bathypelagic Zone, showcasing the incredible adaptability of marine organisms. Section 6. Abyssal Depths. A journey to the Abyssopelagic Zone. This is one of the most mysterious and least explored regions of our planet, a place where the sun's rays never reach, and the darkness is absolute. Even deeper lies the Abyssopelagic Zone, or the Abyssal Zone. This zone is a realm of perpetual darkness, where the only light comes from the bioluminescent creatures that inhabit these depths. This region extends from 4,000 meters to the ocean floor, reaching depths of up to 6,000 meters. The sheer depth of this zone is mind-boggling, and it covers more than 60% of the Earth's surface. The pressure here is crushing. At these depths, the pressure can be over 1,100 times greater than at the surface, enough to crush most human-made submarines. The water is near freezing. temperatures hover just above the freezing point, making it one of the coldest environments on Earth. Surprisingly, life persists even in this harsh environment. The creatures that live here have evolved unique adaptations to survive. Creatures here have adapted to the cold, the pressure, and the lack of light. Many are scavengers. They have developed specialized feeding mechanisms to make the most of the scarce resources available. They feed on the remains of dead organisms that drift down from above. This detritus, often called marine snow, is a vital source of nutrients in the abyss. The abyssal zone is a vast and desolate place. It is a seemingly endless expanse of darkness and silence, where the landscape is shaped by underwater mountains, valleys, and plains. But it is also a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. The organisms that thrive here are a marvel of evolution, showcasing the resilience and ingenuity of life in the face of extreme conditions. Section 7. The unfathomable trenches, life in the Hadal Zone. The deepest part of the ocean, the Hadal Zone, exists in the ocean trenches. These trenches are some of the most mysterious and least understood places on Earth. These trenches are like deep scars on the ocean floor, formed by the movement of tectonic plates. They are narrow but incredibly deep, plunging down to unimaginable depths. They can reach depths of over 6,000 meters, which is more than 6 times the height of the tallest building on Earth. The darkness here is absolute, and the cold is bone-chilling. The pressure here is unimaginable, reaching over 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. This extreme pressure would crush most living organisms, but not the inhabitants of the Hadal Zone. Despite the extreme conditions, life finds a way. The Hadal Zone is home to a variety of unique and fascinating creatures that have adapted to survive in this harsh environment. Organisms in the Hadal Zone have unique adaptations. Some produce their own light through bioluminescence, while others have developed extraordinary senses to navigate and hunt in the pitch-black darkness. Their bodies are designed to withstand the crushing pressure. They have flexible, gelatinous bodies that can endure the intense pressure without being damaged. They thrive on hydrothermal vents, which are like underwater geysers. These vents release heat and chemicals from the Earth's interior, creating a unique ecosystem. These vents release heat and chemicals from the Earth's interior, providing the necessary energy and nutrients for life to flourish in the otherwise barren deep sea. The Hadal Zone is the least explored part of our planet. Its inaccessibility and extreme conditions make it a challenging environment for scientists to study. It holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. Each expedition into the Hadal Zone has the potential to uncover new species and expand our understanding of life in extreme environments. Section 8. Strange Creatures of the Deep. The deep ocean is home to some of the strangest and most wonderful creatures on Earth. The giant squid, once a creature of legend, lives in the deep. It can grow to over 40 feet long. The anglerfish with its bioluminescent lure is another fascinating denizen of the deep. The goblin shark with its extendable jaws is both terrifying and amazing. These creatures remind us that we still have so much to learn about the ocean's depths. Each new discovery reveals more about the incredible biodiversity of our planet. The deep ocean is a treasure trove of unique life forms. Section 9. The Ocean's Hidden Treasures. The deep ocean isn't just home to strange and wonderful creatures, it also holds valuable resources. Minerals such as manganese nodules are found on the ocean floor. These minerals could be important for future technologies, however, mining these resources could have a devastating impact on the deep-sea environment. It's crucial to find a balance between utilizing these resources and protecting this fragile ecosystem. The deep ocean is also a vast carbon sink. It absorbs a significant amount of the carbon dioxide we release into the atmosphere. This makes it a crucial player in regulating our planet's climate. Section 10. Why the deep matters. The deep ocean may seem like a distant and irrelevant place, but it plays a vital role in the health of our planet. It regulates our climate. It provides us with food and resources. It is home to a vast array of life that we are only beginning to understand. Pollution, climate change, and overfishing threaten the delicate balance of the deep ocean. It's crucial that we protect this vital part of our planet. Future generations depend on it. Understanding the ocean's depth is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about appreciating the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Section 11. A call to explore and protect. The ocean's depths remain largely unexplored. They hold countless secrets waiting to be discovered. By supporting ocean exploration and research, we can learn more about this vital part of our planet. We must also act to protect the ocean from the threats it faces. We can all make a difference. Reducing our carbon footprint, making sustainable seafood choices, and supporting organizations dedicated to ocean conservation are all steps in the right direction. The ocean is a vast and mysterious realm. Let's treat it with the respect and wonder it deserves. The future of our planet may depend on it.